Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on INFINIX Note 11 Pro. So we have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open and then click agree and continue, and here you can choose your default browser, or you can click cancel. Now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now, and here you can sign in, or you can click not now again. Now you can select your theme, or you can click save and continue, and here you can pick toolbar placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.